All right, so we did something yesterday, and tell you it's really cold. Hey Gavin.
What?
What are you playing in?
I'm playing in the water.
You're playing in the water.
Yeah.
We made a truck pool.
I'm playing my phone. It's okay.
It's so... You like the water?
Why?
Can you dump your water?
Hey.
Scoop your water. Yeah.
Yay. Whoa.
Almost lost it. Dump it. Can you dump it out the truck? Dump it out the truck. Anyway, so we bought a tarp. $25 pool because the tarp was 25 bucks. Oh, that's cold. Anyway, we have it ratchet strapped right now, but we don't really need to. We just had that for when we were putting it together. And today we're gonna dump it because we gotta use the bed of the truck.
We just wanted to see if it would work.
Yeah, we want to see if it works. Like I said, like we're not actually using the ratchet straps right now, but
I'm in the pool.
You are in the pool.
In the pool.
You are in the pool. Hey Gavin, do you like your pool?
Yeah.
It's a little paddling pool now. Look at the mall. Scoop.
Hey. I'm dancing in the pool.
Oh, you're dancing in the pool?
Yep.
A truck pool is a good idea.
I know to drive.
But you shouldn't drive around with one. I'll tell you that. So don't try the driving around part, but I do recommend trying to actually make a pool. You know, draw out the tarp, and we can use the tarp for whatever. It's cheaper than buying like a paddling pool, and you can fill it up to the top of the box. This here, like, if you're wondering the size of tarp we use, it was a little bit too small for like a good result. It was an 8 by 10, so I'd recommend literally a 10 by 12. That would be perfect.
That's what your wife said.
For a 5.5 foot box.
That's what your wife said.
There is a company in the States that does make like an actual pool liner for the like for a truck. I don't remember the name, but just look up truck bed pool and you should be able to find one for sale if you want to actually just, like, you know, hang around at home with a pool in the back of your truck. The only bad part is it's really cold, so I do recommend filling it with warm water. It's been a while since I've been here. Dropping off a flywheel and clutch. Holy parts. Downpipes being made. Well, I can see you got a throttle body. Is that the new one?
Yeah, it more or less fits. It needs a different adapter plate, obviously.
We're gonna have to make that.
So it actually has to come up a little higher, but there's still lots of room from the hood.
So that's decent.
I had it on the other way, but the idle control valve hit the fuel rail, which was rude.
Oh, you had it flipped that way.
Yeah, and it just clears the fuel rail this way.
Decent. I mean, we're gonna have to pull it off to replace injectors or do anything like that. If we ever have to pull the fuel rail off, we're gonna have to pull the throttle body off.
Probably. Well, or just hold full throttle. That should give enough room.
Watt. So
the cable's even the right length.
That's crazy. So yeah, this is the throttle body that we actually picked up from the wrecker. Wow, it goes all the way open too.
Yeah.
That's
And
impressive.
It has the right size nub on the edge of the cable even.
Wow, so it's perfect. Just got to make sure, probably put a washer in there or something just to fucking make sure it doesn't slip out of there.
Well, we'll make a different bracket.
Yeah.
That's huge and ugly.
Right, it doesn't need to be that big. And then you dewired the car. That's another thing. The engine bay, anyway.
Yeah, it was all in the way. Very ugly.
So we're planning a wire tuck. There's the old throttle body down there in the box.
Yes. Quite the size difference there.
Don't know what else more to say other than this is where we're at. Not much has happened in a while.
No.
No. Downpipe is finally getting welded together. And then mass airflow sensor, that's where you're planning on putting it, somewhere around there or down below.
Yeah, probably over here, but facing this way.
And then, yeah, and then planning on having the filter down bottom by the where the fog light's supposed to sit.
Yeah, so we'll cut a hole through here, turn the tube down.
Yeah, well, we'll make it work.
Are they like these?
Just like that.
Okay. That's yours.
Yep, the nice and clean one. 2 would be fine.
So that gets you there.
This will get us, and then we just need a nut for one of these. How's it going?
Here, take that one too.
Oh, cool. Now, I'll be part way to getting the blue car too. Look at that shiny bracket. What's that?
Just been doing some restorations.
Oh yeah, that's shifter linkage right there. What? Yeah, it's a cammed idle. It's cammed. It's got a big cam in it. And it's also getting like a full miss for some reason. It smells great because premium. That's a cammed idle.
See, like it'll run 13, 14, then it drops all the way down into 18.
Pull back on your gas pedal. Yeah, that's fine. What should these cars' air-fuel ratios be at idle?
Oh, 14.7 to 1.
19.
That's really lean, isn't it?
Yeah. It goes from 13 to 18, and then when it goes down to 18, it just, you'll hear it.
Okay.
That
That's
just
not good.
that just happened.